Everyone thinks the best-selling rotating hot air brush is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, DILYFE Rotating Hair Dryer Brush. First up, we have the DILYFE Rotating Hair Dryer Brush. This one caught my attention with its sleek 24K gold color and a price tag of $52.99. If you want a tool that combines drying and styling with ease, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this product solves your problem. It features an auto-rotation mechanism that can spin in 2 directions. This means you can style your hair with one hand while the other hand sections it, making it super convenient. Plus, it comes with 2 different brush sizes, 1.5 and 2, so whether you have short bobs or longer locks, you can achieve the desired volume and curls. The 4-in-1 functionality, hairdryer, straightener, curling iron, and comb, really cuts down your styling time. And at 3 heat and speed settings, it accommodates all hair types, distributing heat evenly thanks to its ceramic and ionic technology. This helps reduce damage while adding shine. With a solid rating of 4.6 stars from over 800 reviews, people definitely love it. Now, some people complained about it being a bit heavy at 1.92 pounds. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a multifunctional styling tool, this slight weight is a small trade-off for all the benefits it offers. This is perfect for you if you're someone who wants a reliable, multi-purpose brush for daily styling. Skip this one if you prefer a lighter tool or just need a basic hairdryer. For the price, you get a lot of value packed into one device. Now, if the weight issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Conair Infinity PRO Rotating Brush. Next, let's talk about the Conair Infinity PRO Rotating Hot Air Dryer Brush, priced at $75.29. If you're looking for something that offers professional salon results at home, this one is worth considering. This hot air brush dries and styles in one step, which is a huge time saver. The package includes 2 brush sizes, 1.5 and 2, giving you versatility for different styles. The built-in ionic technology helps smooth frizz, which is crucial if you want shiny, polished results. Plus, with a lightweight design, you won't feel arm fatigue even after styling for a while. With 4 stars from 8,800 reviews, it's clear that many find value in it. Now, some people reported that the bristles can get tangled in their hair. Here's the thing though, if you take your time and section your hair properly, this shouldn't be an issue, and the results are worth the extra effort. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable tool for both drying and styling. Skip this one if you have very thick or textured hair, as the bristles may not work well. For the price, it's a dependable option for daily use. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for unique styling needs. Product number 3, Hair Dryer Brush 5-in-1. Our third pick is the Hair Dryer Brush 5-in-1, priced at $59.99. If versatility is what you need, this one is a real standout. This tool is packed with features. It's a blow dryer brush that comes with 2 magnetic brush heads and rotating curling barrels. Yes, you heard that right, you get curls, waves, and straight styles all in one product. The smart airflow technology, with an impressive 135 mph wind speed, reduces styling time and minimizes damage with its negative ion function, making it ideal for all hair types. With customizable temperatures and easy switching between modes, you can achieve salon-quality curls or straight locks in seconds. With a whopping rating of 4.7 stars from 4,400 reviews, it's clear that users appreciate its effectiveness. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it becomes incredibly efficient, especially for those who love to experiment with their hairstyles. This is perfect for you if you're someone who wants to switch up styles easily. Skip this one if you're looking for a basic hair dryer, since it has more features than you may need. Considering all its functionalities, it's a great investment. Now, if you need something more straightforward, the next product might fit your needs better. Product number 4, INFINITI PRO by CONAIR Spin Air Styler. Next up is the INFINITI PRO by CONAIR Spin Air Rotating Styler, priced at $75.29. If you want a straightforward tool that still delivers great results, let's take a closer look. This tool is all about simplicity and effectiveness. With tourmaline ceramic technology, it dries your hair safely while promoting healthy-looking strands. The 2-inch hot air brush spins in both directions, allowing you to create that salon-quality bounce right in your bathroom. It has a tangle-free design, which is a huge relief, especially when you're in a hurry. It's rated 4.2 stars from 4,400 reviews, showing it has a solid fan base. Now, a few users mentioned that it doesn't work as well on very wet hair. Here's the thing though, for best results, it's recommended to use it on nearly dry hair, which many find easy to adapt to. This is perfect for you if you prefer simplicity in your styling routine. Skip this if you're looking for a multifunctional tool with lots of attachments. For the price, it delivers reliable results with minimal fuss. Now, if you're after something more on the affordable side, the last product might catch your attention. Product number 5, Hot Tools Pro Artist Hot Air Styling Brush. Finally, we have the Hot Tools Pro Artist Hot Air Styling Brush at a budget-friendly $32.13. If you're looking for a good entry-level option, this one is definitely worth considering. This brush features a versatile multi-vent barrel that allows for easy styling. It has flexible, ball-tipped bristles that gently comb through your hair, which can help prevent any pulling or damage. The heat settings are adjustable, so you can customize it according to your hair type. At 4.1 stars from over 8,100 reviews, it's clear that people find it effective for their daily needs. However, a common complaint is that it doesn't dry hair that's fully wet. Here's the thing though, if you towel dry your hair beforehand, this brush works like a charm and gives you great results. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable and simple tool for touch-ups and styling. Skip this if you need something that can handle very wet hair. Considering its price, it's a great value for everyday styling needs. So we've covered 5 great rotating hot air brushes today. From the versatile DAILYLIFE to the budget-friendly hot tools, there's something for everyone. If you prioritize lightweight and simple, go for the INFINITIPRO. If you want to unleash your creativity in styling, the Hair Dryer Brush 5-in-1 is perfect. Whatever your choice, you'll find a tool that can elevate your hair game.